So one of the questions I get all the time is how to make a jalapeno not as hot. So I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to cut a jalapeno and de-seed it at the same time. So you're going to get like a small dice out of it. You can also cut it a little bit smaller. I'm going to show you how I do it. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and Drake's on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I'm like making a.
With a very sharp knife, we're going to cut off the end and then the tip. We're going to stand it straight up and cut down the sides, making sure not to go into the seed section, which is the vein. At this point, you can discard the vein. You can see the vein is intact with all the seeds. You'll still see a couple little seeds on the cutting board, but you just brush those away. Next, you're going to slice it long ways, pulling at the knife. Pulling at the knife instead of pushing prevents juices from flying into your face. At this point, you're going to make little, it's going to be almost like a medium dice. So we're just laying them out nice and calm. And then once it's all sliced up, then we're going to dice it. At this point, you can grab your knuckles, put your knife against it, and just go for a nice small dice. You can go finer if you want finer, but for this purpose, I'm just showing a small dice. And there you have it, small dice, deveined jalapeno. Very fast and very easy. Well, I hope you liked that. Like I said, it was going to be really short, really quick, right to the point. But jalapenos are used in so many cuisines now. I think it's very important to see how you can take out the heat. As always, you can leave the seeds in there to give it a little bit more heat. So that was this week's tips video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget there's 4 days a week. There's a lot of content dropping Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And as always, you can follow me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, Chef Jesse Q on Twitter, and Chef Jesse Q on Facebook. Until next week, take it easy. Bye.